Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger or opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 15sfq1006ns laptop. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect the power adapter. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards while working on your device. Once turned off, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Work your way around the edges to loosen it without damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape with a connector attached. Before proceeding, take a moment to visually inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage. If you notice any issues, it's advisable to handle the battery with care. Disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away from the motherboard. If you're unsure or uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can assist you in safely removing and replacing the battery. Once the battery is disconnected, it's time to install the new one. Align the connector of the new battery with the motherboard socket and press it firmly to ensure a secure connection. It's essential to confirm that the connection is snug to avoid any power issues. Now, before reassembling your laptop, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internals using a can of compressed air. This not only helps with cooling but also maintains the overall performance of your laptop. After cleaning, carefully place the new battery in its designated spot. Ensure it sits flat and is properly aligned with any clips or holders. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the clips and pressing down until it clicks into place. Next, reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Once all screws are in place, flip the laptop back over and reconnect the power adapter. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. You can do this by going to the battery settings in the System Settings menu. If you encounter any issues or if the battery isn't recognized, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Remember, we can provide you with a quote before any repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery in your HP 15sfq1006ns laptop. Regular maintenance, including battery checks, can extend the life of your device and improve performance. Always keep an eye on battery health to ensure optimal functioning in the future. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.